I'm going to teach you how to make a song about anything, any genre. So, the first thing you want to do is open up an AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Grok, which is Twitter's, which is what we're going to use right now. So, you open up Twitter and you press the Grok button at the bottom. Now we're going to say, make a song about teaching people how to make a song using AI. Craft a tune with AI. All right, now we've got a song. Okay, it's still making up the song for us. Perfect. Now it's teaching us how to do it. That's great. No, you don't need to tweak the song. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to copy the song. All right, we'll start here with verse 1. Copy. At this point, we move it into like a notes app and you paste it. Okay, so we have a song now. In this, there's a few things you want to delete that are in like brackets, outros and choruses and verses, and it just doesn't need to say that in the words of the song you're creating. This is just going to be a moment. We're going to make a whole song about this shit in just a few minutes. I'm still wondering what kind of genre or what kind of style to make it. Okay, we'll save it. Now we'll copy it all again. Select all, copy. All right, we have the song. So you can use it free a few times first. AI musicgen.ai, this site. So I actually subscribe to it now because it's so brilliant. And this is not a sponsored endorsement of AImusicgen.ai, but fuck it, it should be, because what I'm showing you is really cool right here. The first thing you could do is put a description of what you want a song to be about, kind of like what we did in Grok just now. Or if you already have lyrics, you can put the lyrics automatically. The first couple times you do this, you can make a few songs for free. So now we've got the lyrics input. From here, we're going to call it Make a Song with AI. And then down here, we get to put genres. All right, let's see all the genres. Look at all the genres of music. So many genres. It's hard to choose because there's so many genres. Let's make it contemporary classical death metal psychedelic pop. Moods. Let's see what moods they have. Okay, we're gonna make it laid back and high tension. Okay, voices. We don't care what kind of voice they use, but you can use, there's a lot of different choices for that too. All right, let's make this weird ass crazy song. Now, we wait. We wait. It actually doesn't take that long. For free, it makes 2 versions of the songs that you're creating, and you can do it a few times. You can make like 4 or 8 songs when you first try it out. And it's definitely worth the monthly subscription. My dogs know it's almost time to come in. They're informing me of it. But I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I don't normally do that often, but I would really like it if you guys did. I have a lot of varied, random-ass content. Come on, hurry up with the fucking music already. Jesus Christ. There we go. All right, let's test the bottom one.
Got a spark in your heart, wanna make it a song. AI's here to help, it won't steer you wrong. Open up your mind, let the ideas flow. With a click and a prompt, watch your music grow. Pick a vibe, pick a style, what's the mood today? Pop or rock, jazz or folk, let your soul sashay. Type a line, set the scene, let the story sing.
All right, let's see what the other one is.
Got a spark in your heart, wanna make it a song. AI's here to help, it won't steer you wrong. Open up your mind, let the ideas flow. With a click and a prompt, watch your music grow. Pick a vibe, pick a style, what's the mood today? Pop or rock, jazz or folk, let your soul sashay. Type a line, set the scene, let the story sing. AI's got your back, let's create this thing. Oh, we're making a song. AI by our side, worlds and beats collide. Take it for a ride. Prompt it, tweak it, let the magic.
All right, so now you know how to make a song with AI.